solution to the activity which we had performed today. So the first criteria was to select all the solids that had only one surface. So clearly I have only selected the egg, and this was because I felt that the egg did not have any distinctive height, length or breadth, and because it seemed as a uniform covering, so that is why I thought that yes, this is only a one surface, it has no ridges, and that is why I selected it and marked it as blue. Then we had to mark the combination of solids of different types as green. So first I have marked the ice cream cone as green because I saw that the ice cream cone was a combination of a hemisphere and a cone. Then I also selected the pill as green because the pill was a combination of a cylinder and two hemispheres are mounted on the top. Then I also selected the tent because it was a combination of cone and cylinder. Then I also selected this chest or trunk because I felt that the lower part of the trunk is a cuboid but the upper part is certainly not so. It seemed as a half cylinder to me, and that is why I marked it as green too. Next we had to select all those solids or combination of solids which would use the formula 2/3 pi r cube. So I know that 2/3 pi r cube is used for the volume of semi-sphere or hemisphere, and that is why I have used it in the ice cream cone because hemisphere is there in the ice cream cone, and to find the volume we would require this formula. And for the pill shape I have used the yellow color to mark it because the two hemispheres that are surmounted on the top of the cylinder volume will also be found out with this formula for them too. Pi r square h is used to find out the volume of cylinder. So I have again used the pills and have marked it as red because the middle part of the pill is a cylinder, and to find the volume of the pill we would need pi r square h because it's the formula of volume of cylinder. I have also marked red the tent as red because we can see that the lower part of the tent is of course a cylinder. So to find out that value we would need pi r square h. I have also marked the cone because the cone's formula is 1/3 pi r square h, and the cone and in the ice cream cone there is the solid cone, and that is why I have marked the cone also as red. I have also marked this bucket as red because frustrum is a part of cone, and that is why I thought, I don't know about frustrum, but I thought that red because frustrum is a part of cone and cone requires that formula of pi r square h. Frustrum would also require that, and thus I have marked it as red. We had to find out all the solids with 2Lp plus BH plus HL formulas. So I have marked the suitcase because it is cuboidal in shape, and the trunk because it is also cuboidal in shape, and thus I have marked these two because to find out the total surface area of these two we would require the cuboid formula. Now for the orange we had to mark all the solids which would require different radii, and thus I have marked the cake because we see that this is basically cylinders of different radii stacked on top of each other. So of course we would need different radii to find out the volume of this. And now I have also marked the frustrum bucket because I saw that the upper circle radii was lower than the upper circle the upper circle radii was larger than the lower circle radii, and thus I have marked it as orange.